Hey, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Travel Troop. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey to the stunning capital of Norway, Oslo. This vibrant city is a treasure trove of culture, history, and natural beauty. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we've got it all covered in our top 5 must-visit places in Oslo. So, grab your virtual backpacks, and let's embark on this captivating adventure. 1. Oslo Royal Palace. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Oslo, the Royal Palace. Nestled atop a gentle hill, this architectural marvel is home to the Norwegian monarchs. We'll explore its grandeur, learn about the changing of the guard ceremony, and take in the breathtaking views of the city from the palace park. 2. Vigeland Park. Next on our list is the Vigeland Park, a true masterpiece of art and nature. This expansive park showcases the incredible sculptures of Gustav Vigeland, depicting the various stages of human life. Join us as we stroll through the sculptures, meet local artists, and uncover the park's hidden gems. 3. Oslo Fjord Cruise. Oslo isn't just about its urban beauty, it's also a city that embraces nature. Our third stop, the Oslo Fjord, offers a serene escape from the bustling city life. We'll set sail on a scenic fjord cruise, exploring picturesque islands, discovering hidden beaches, and even trying our hand at some traditional fishing. 4. Viking Ship Museum. Moving on to our fourth destination, we find ourselves at the captivating Viking Ship Museum. Here, we'll step back in time to explore the well-preserved Viking ships, uncover the secrets of these fearless warriors, and even get a taste of Viking culture through interactive exhibits. 5. Grünerløkka. Our final stop takes us to the vibrant Grünerløkka district, known for its artistic flair and lively atmosphere. Join us as we wander through its charming streets, discover unique boutiques, savor delicious local cuisine, and get to know the creative community that thrives here. And there you have it, our top 5 must-visit places in Oslo. From the Royal Palace's regal elegance to the artistic wonders of Vigeland Park, the natural beauty of the Oslo Fjord, the historical intrigue of the Viking Ship Museum, and the creative vibe of Grünerløkka, Oslo has something for every traveler. If you enjoyed this virtual journey through Oslo, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming travel adventures. Thank you for joining us on this captivating tour of Oslo. Remember, every city has its own unique charm waiting to be discovered, so keep exploring, and until next time, safe travels.